Yes, people, nice to see you here at Gigabits, and you are here and you clicked here because you want to know more about CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro, or you want to compare this to. Well, guess what? That's what we're gonna do in this video. CapCut and Premiere Pro are both video editing software, but they cater to different audiences. And we're gonna start with the features of CapCut, and then we go to features of Adobe Premiere Pro, of course, and we have some pros, we have some cons, and then we have a conclusion for you. So stick around and, well, let's take off with the features of CapCut. User-friendly interface. CapCut is known for its intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it accessible to beginners. If you are a beginner, really choose CapCut. Editing, basic editing tools. It offers essential video editing tools like trimming, cutting, splitting, and adding transitions. Well, if you need those editing tools and you don't need much more, CapCut is the way to go. Templates and effects. CapCut includes a library of templates, effects, filters to enhance your videos. Really nice. Music and sound. You can easily add music and adjust audio levels within the application. It's really easy. It's drag and drop and adjust. It's more easy. You can't have it. Yes. So, well, more. You have built-in stickers and tags. CapCut provides stickers, tags, fonts for creative text overlays. You see the most Instagram Reels and Facebook videos, TikTok videos you see made by CapCut. Yes, so export options. It supports various export formats and resolutions. Yes, so you can make short ones, well, vertical, horizontal videos, whatever. CapCut is your best friend. Well, we have some pros of CapCut. Listen, it's beginner friendly, ideal for those who are new to video editing. Mobile editing, available as a mobile app on the go editing. However, the laptop and a desktop version is more, the overview is better. Cost effective. CapCut is free to use with optional in-app purchases. Well, if you make an account, it's free to make an account and you have the normal regular features what you need. Yes, so template library, a wide range of templates for a quick video creation. And the next one you want to know, fast rendering, generally fast rendering times compared to complex software. Well, a video 5 to 10 minutes, you are, well, 8-9 minutes and it's done maximum. Yes, well, some cons, limited advanced features. If you want more features of CapCut, you have to pay. Yeah, so you have to purchase the professional software. Platform limitations and some watermark. Well, watermark free version includes a watermark in exported videos that was before. So that's not anymore a con. Yeah, so but the biggest con is if you really want advanced features of editing software, you really need to go to Premiere Pro, because Premiere Pro is a professional grade editing software. Premiere Pro is well, the most professional people use Premiere Pro, and it's used by the industry professionals. Advanced editing tools. It offers advanced features like multi-camera editing, motion tracking, and keyframing. But CapCut uses also motion tracking. So, vast plugin ecosystem. Users can extend functionality with a vast library of third-party plugins. That's nice. Audio editing. Advanced audio tools including audio effects and multi-tracking editing. Color correction, robust color correction and grading tools for cinematic results. And CapCut is far away below this level. So if you want color correction, well, CapCut maybe has some color, but not the way Premiere Pro does. Yes? Collaboration. Adobe's Creative Cloud allows for collaborative editing and cloud storage. So that's a nice con. and a nice feature, of course. Wide format support. Supports a wide range of formats and resolutions for export. Well, in CapCut you have a few formats, and well, in Premiere Pro you have all the formats you want. Some pros. Well, we go a little bit quicker, guys. Professional grade, offers industry standard features for high quality video production. Advanced capabilities, suitable for complex editing tasks and professional workflows. Integration, seamlessly integrates with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps like Photoshop, like InDesign, etc. etc. Regular updates. Adobe provides regular updates for new features and bug fixes. So if you have a bug, Adobe Cloud and Premiere Pro, Adobe company really fix it really fast. Yes, company and resources, a vast community and online resources for learning and troubleshooting. So, but well, YouTube is really big right now, so you can troubleshoot your own trouble within YouTube, and if YouTube is not there for you, you can use the community, of course. Well, we have some cons of Adobe Premiere Pro. The steep learning curve may be overwhelming for beginners due to its extensive feature set. Subscription based. Well, it requires a subscription, making it more expensive than free or one-time purchase alternatives. And before it was a one-time purchase, of course, Adobe Photoshop and Adobe InDesign and Adobe Premiere Pro, etc. But now they want a monthly fee from you. Hardware demands, requires a powerful computer for smooth operation. Well, yes. That's true. If you have an old computer, please don't start with it even. You have to have a really big computer with internal processors if you want to make it smoothly. Not mobile friendly. Well, period. There is no mobile app to edit with Premiere Pro. Well, some conclusion. In summary, choosing between CapCut and Premiere Pro largely depends on your video editing needs and skill level, of course. CapCut is an excellent choice for beginners or those who need to edit videos on mobile devices. It's user-friendly, cost-effective, and offers basic editing tools. Well, however, it's limited in advanced features and may not suit for professional video editing needs. Adobe Premiere Pro is the go-to option for professionals. It's really the go-to option for professionals and those who require advanced video editing capabilities, and it provides a comprehensive set of tools, integrates with other Adobe software, and offers industry standard features. However, it comes with a steeper learning curve and a subscription-based model. So, we gonna summary those pros and cons. CapCut, beginner-friendly, mobile editing, cost-effective, template library, and fast rendering. And the cons: limited advanced features, platform limitation, and watermark. Well, and number 3, watermark was before. Yes, then Adobe Pro 1, professional grade advanced capabilities, integration, regular updates, and community resources. And the cons of Adobe Pro: steep learning curve, subscription based, hardware demands, and not mobile friendly. And well, CapCut is mobile friendly, but you better can use it at your laptop. So guys, hope you learn something about the differences between Premiere Pro, CapCut. And if you have based your decision on this review, and I hope we helped you, and I hope you can leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And maybe we see you in future updates, and want to say thank you. Bye bye.